Have you ever wondered how bees make honey? It's a remarkable process that begins with tiny creatures and results in one of nature's most delightful sweeteners. Honeybees are expert foragers, tirelessly collecting nectar from flowers. Nectar, a sweet, watery substance, is transformed into honey through a fascinating process involving enzymes and evaporation. When a bee collects nectar, it stores it in its honey stomach. Here, an enzyme called invertase or sucrase is added, breaking down the complex sucrose sugars into simpler glucose and fructose sugars. This process forms the base of honey's sweet allure. The bee then returns to the hive and regurgitates the partially processed nectar to a hive bee. The hive bee continues the process, adding more enzymes, including glucose oxidase. This enzyme converts glucose into gluconic acid and hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide acts as a natural preservative, inhibiting the growth of bacteria and fungi in the honey. Another enzyme, diastase or amylase, also plays a part, breaking down any complex sugars like starch into simpler sugars such as glucose and maltose. Once the nectar is sufficiently processed, bees store it in honeycomb cells. Here, the water content of the nectar is reduced from about 80% to around 18%, transforming the nectar into the thick, sticky substance we know as honey. But bees don't just produce honey for our pancakes and tea. Honey serves as their primary food source during colder months when flowers are scarce. Honey's composition is quite complex. It contains about 70 to 80% carbohydrates, primarily glucose and fructose. Around 17 to 20% is water, and it also contains small amounts of proteins, including enzymes and amino acids. Honey is also a source of minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, and it contains traces of vitamins including vitamin C, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Honey's benefits extend beyond its delicious taste. The antioxidants in honey can contribute to heart health, while its antibacterial properties can soothe sore throats and support wound healing. In summary, honey is a wondrous product of nature, made by bees through a sophisticated process of nectar collection, enzymatic transformation, and dehydration. It's a sweetener, a preservative, a source of energy for bees, and a provider of numerous health benefits for humans. So the next time you drizzle honey on your morning toast or stir it into your tea, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken from flower to bee to your table.